Hey, this is Pete at Graphics, and today's topic is reworking PhotoCentral orders, which is actually a new feature in PhotoCentral, Photogize Lab, and Retailer Central. So what is rework? It is the new ability to edit orders that are submitted by customers after they've been submitted and harvested by you. So among the edits you can do are changing the template used by the customer, updating the size and the position of the images they used, changing the text, the font, the size, swapping in different photos from the customer's original album, and you can even add new photos from your own hard drive to this project. Now, Rework is available in Photogize Lab 60107 or greater, and in Retailer Central. So after a product has been reworked, a job and a product has been reworked, Lab is going to harvest either manually or automatically, depending on what your harvest is set to. It's going to harvest this new order and replace the old order with that updated order. So let's just dive right in and take a look. So I have PhotoCentral up here. And PhotoCentral is, this is our sandbox application. I'm going to actually create a card, a Christmas card, so we can take a look. So let's use that photo and just give it some text. And we're going to check out. And submit the order. Okay, I've submitted my card order. I'm going to now go back to Photogize Lab and pull orders down. And here's the order I made. So let's highlight it here. You can even show a full screen preview. I'll take a look at it before I print. Oh, I meant to say family with a Y. So to date, you could use Photoshop and try to correct that, but that could be problematic and difficult. So we now have an easier thing to do. Like I can just, in Photogize Lab, I select the job, I right click on it, and I say rework. And what's that's going to do is pull up a special new page called our rework page, and it lets you just simply edit this. So I'm going to go in here, change family to family, update it, and click update. Once I've clicked update, just wait for the dialog box to come up that says update complete. And the next time you harvest, whether it's automatic or manual, so I'm going to manually harvest this order, it's going to delete the old order and pull in a new order with the updated text. So let's take a look here again, and I'm going to zoom in. It's correctly spelled. All right, so that's how you do it from within Lab. Again, click on the job in Lab, right click, and say rework. But you can also rework a job from Retailer Central anywhere. So actually, let's go to Retailer Central. And I was already reworking a job here, so let's just go back to our master table of orders. It's PhotoCentral order log. Actually, let's go back to the main menu. Look at PhotoCentral order log. So let's go to Retailer Central. And this is my main menu. I have orders here. And let's click on PhotoCentral order log. In the PhotoCentral order log, you'll see a bunch of information about the different orders, and sometimes you'll see live orders. That means all of the original images are still on the server, and we can edit them, we can rework them. So click on, this is the last order. Let's click on live orders, and you can see that the status is that we've reworked it once. I'm going to click on the job, and I'm going to click on in the job category, I'm going to click on Rework. And that's going to do the same thing. It's going to bring up a page that lets me re-edit text. And I'm going to actually change this to a different font. I'm going to change it to Sharktooth, and I'm going to change it to, let's see, 18 points. Update that. All right, I like that better. And I'm going to update that. Now let's go back to Photogize Lab. And once again, highlight our account and say harvest. Again, this will happen on a manual or an automatic harvest. Click here. Let's pull down the new order. Let's zoom in. And there's our new font and size. And that's all there is to Rework.